Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology. YouTube channel, topic of defense technology. News is Quantum Systems wins Bundeswehr contract to supply Twister drones as ALADIN Successor system. The Federal Office of Bundeswehr Equipment, Information Technology and In-Service Support in Quantum Systems have signed a contract for the procurement of up to 747 reconnaissance drones to replace the Bundeswehr's ALADIN system. The agreement appoints Quantum Systems as supplier of the Successor to the imaging airborne reconnaissance drone used for close-range surveillance. The contract includes a fixed order for 147 systems with associated services, alongside options for up to 600 additional systems under a framework agreement. Quantum Systems has committed to delivering at least 250 systems per year, with the capacity to increase production if required. ALADIN is one of the Bundeswehr's core reconnaissance systems and is deployed across the Army, Navy, and Air Force. Martin Karkur, Chief Revenue Officer of Quantum Systems, said, "The Twister combines German engineering, AI-based autonomy, and battle-tested reliability from Ukraine." He added, "I am personally delighted that we have been awarded the contract for the Successor to the ALADIN system, as we are now working together with the BAAINBW and the German Armed Forces to turn this turning point into a turning point in action." Karkur also stated, "We at Quantum Systems are very proud to stand shoulder to shoulder with our Bundeswehr and to be able to equip them with a world-leading product. The Bundeswehr is becoming a drone army, thereby responding to the increasing relevance of unmanned systems," Karkur said. The Twister system is an electrically powered eVTOL, electric vertical takeoff and landing small unmanned aircraft, developed for tactical reconnaissance at squad and platoon level, with a maximum takeoff weight of 4 kilograms, an endurance of 90 minutes, and a range of 15 kilometers. Equipped with sensors including an EOIR, electro-optical infrared gimbal, with optional laser illuminator and acoustic sensors, Twister provides day and night target, effect, and position reconnaissance while remaining nearly inaudible and difficult to detect. The system fits into a rucksack, can be deployed by a single person within minutes, and processes sensor data on board using integrated edge AI based on NVIDIA Jetson Orin NX. This enables real-time scene analysis and autonomous target classification, with only relevant information transmitted to operators. Control is provided by Quantum Systems' Mosaic UXS mission software, which ensures interoperability between ALADIN and Falk systems and reduces pilot training time. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like, and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel, please write at the rate Electronics Technology